All right, 10-9, calculate 2 plus I, the quantity 2 plus I times the quantity 3 minus 5I minus 1 minus 4I squared. All right, so the first thing we have to do is we have to multiply these two together. So there's a couple different ways to do this. We can kind of create a box here if this is helpful to you. So 2 and then I and then 3 minus 5I. So 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 5I times 2 is negative 10I. 3 times I is 3I. Negative 5I times I is negative 5I squared. So remember, this is going to be 6. Negative 10I plus 3I is going to be what? Negative 7I. And then this is going to be negative 5 times negative 1, which is going to be plus 5. So that's going to be 11 minus 7I. So we get 11 minus, well, actually, let me write this out. So we get 2 plus I, and then 3 minus 5I minus 1 minus 4I squared. So we know this is going to be 11 minus 7I minus. So then what is this going to equal? So we can kind of create another little, we got 1 minus 4I and then 1 minus 4I. And so you get 1, negative 4I, negative 4I, and then negative times a negative is positive 16I squared. And so this would end up being what? 1 minus 8I, and then 16 times I squared is going to be negative 16. So then that's going to be negative 15 minus 8I. So this will be negative 15 minus 8I. So 11 minus 7I. A negative times a negative is plus 15. A negative times a negative is positive 8I. So then 11 plus 15 is going to be 26. And then negative 7I plus 8I is going to be plus I. And that's your answer.